Hello everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel IELTS by Neil. Today we are going to discuss one of the type of questions in IELTS reading section, which are multiple choice questions. In these type of questions, question statement is given and four options are given. Like this is a question statement here, and the four options are here: 1, A, B, C, D. Okay, and what you have to do is you have to look from this text and you have to look for the information and see which one is the correct option out of these four. Okay, so we also call them MCQ, that is multiple choice question. Okay, now today we're going to cover how we should attempt these type of questions and what are the things that we have to keep in mind while doing these type of questions. Okay, so without any further delay, let's begin our first question. That is, in first paragraph, the writer makes a point that. So simple, we just go to the first paragraph, which from here to here. Okay, in this first paragraph, the writer is trying to say, though we might think of film as an essentially visual experience, we really cannot afford to underestimate the importance of film sound. So they are saying that we cannot underestimate the importance of film sound. After that, they're saying a meaningful soundtrack, often as complicated as the image on the screen. Meaningful soundtrack is same like an image. The entire soundtrack consists of three essential ingredients. Now they're telling us that what the soundtrack consists of: the human voice, sound effects, and music. Now these three tracks must be mixed and balanced so as to produce the necessary emphasis, in turn to create desired effects. Okay, so we have read until here. Let's try to look at the options. So first option is the director should plan the soundtrack at an early stage. There's no mention of such information, so it's gone. Okay, B, it would be wrong to overlook the contribution of sound to the artistry of films. It would be wrong to overlook means it will be bad to underestimate, or we cannot afford to underestimate. Overlook or underestimate, it's kind of the same words. Okay, so this could be the possible answer. Okay, so let's put it aside. Move on to the next option. The music industry can have beneficial influence on sound in film. They're not talking about the music industry's influence on sound film. Rather, they're talking about sound on music industry. Okay, it is important for those working on sound in a film to have sole responsibility. There's no responsibility being spoken about, so that is gone. That is gone. The correct answer is B. So the answer for this question is this one here. Okay, so what you have to do is, again, let's repeat the process. The process is read the question. Okay, find the information in the text here, come back to the options, read the options, and see which is the most suitable one. Okay, let's try another one. One reason that the writer refers to Humphrey Bogart is to exemplify. Exemplify means to give example. Okay, so the keywords are exemplify or Humphrey Bogart. Okay, so we have read this first paragraph, but we could not find any Humphrey Bogart or example here. Okay, so let's start from the second paragraph here. So to start with, let's start with the dialogue. As it is the case, stage drama dialogue. If we quickly scan through this paragraph, we just found example and actor Humphrey Bogart. So we have found the keywords here, right? So if we read these keywords, it says, thus, for example, actor Humphrey Bogart is the character Sam Spade. Film personality and life personality seem to merge. This actually means that Humphrey Bogart is mentioned to exemplify the importance of actor and the character appearing to have similar personalities. So if you go back to the options, he says, as importance of the actor and character appearing to have similar personalities. This could be the potential answer. Okay, let's put this aside. The audience wish to that actors are visually appropriate for the roles. No, they're not talking about any audience wish. The value of the actor had similar feelings to that character. There's no mention of the value of the actor. The the audience preference for dialogue to be as authentic as possible. No, there's no audience preference being talked about. So the correct option is option A, which is this one here. Okay, I hope the things are getting clear to you. Okay, again, I'm going to repeat the process. That is, read the question, go back to the text, read the option, and choose the correct one. If you're still confused, read the question again, go back to the text, again, read the options. You will surely find the answer, right? Now, I would like you to try question number 17. Okay, so this is the question that you have to try, and this is the paragraph that you have to read. Okay, so you have question is given here, and the four options are given: A, B, C, D. Okay, I will leave the answer in the description section below or in the comment section. I hope you get the correct answer. Okay, please do make sure you check the pin comment below for the correct answer. I hope you've learned something new today and you got some better clarity about finding the answer for multiple choice questions. Okay, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the next video.